Volcanic eruptions are one of nature's most awesome and terrifying displays. They are forces of creation, birthing new land from the molten heart of our planet. But they are also forces of unimaginable destruction, capable of erasing civilizations in an instant. From the gentle, creeping lava flows of Kilauea in Hawaii to the cataclysmic explosions that register on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, we're diving deep into the power of these fiery mountains. In Izojotsi, the Soufriere Hills volcano on the island of Montserrat unleashed its fury. It didn't just erupt, it collapsed. This sent a superheated cloud of gas, ash, and rocka, pyroclastic fluorescing down its slopes at hurricane speeds. The capital city of Plymouth was in its path. In moments, an entire city was buried, incinerated, and wiped off the map, a ghost town under a thick blanket of gray ash. It's a chilling reminder of how quickly a volcano can reclaim what we've built. Then there was the eruption that changed how we see volcanoes forever. On May 18, 1980, Mount St. Helens in Washington state didn't erupt upwards. It blew sideways. This rare lateral blast unleashed the energy of thousands of atomic bombs, flattening over 200 square miles of dense forest. Trees were snapped like twigs. The landscape was transformed into a gray, barren moonscape. The eruption claimed 57 lives, a tragic lesson in the unpredictable behavior of these geologic giants. It showed us that the danger isn't always from above. 11 years later in the Philippines, Mount Pinatubo awoke from a 600-year slumber. Its 1991 eruption was one of the largest of the 20th century, launching a colossal column of ash more than 20 miles into the sky. This ash cloud was so immense it encircled the globe, reflecting sunlight back into space and causing a temporary drop in global temperatures. But the danger didn't end when the ash settled. Years afterward, heavy rains would mix with the loose volcanic debris, creating deadly, concrete-like mud flows called lahars. These lahars swept through valleys, burying villages and continuing the volcano's destructive legacy long after the main event. Today, scientists are watching another sleeping giant with growing concern, Campi Flegra in Italy. This isn't a typical cone-shaped volcano. It's a massive underground supervolcano, a caldera simmering beneath one of Europe's most densely populated regions. An eruption here wouldn't just be a local disaster, it would be a global catastrophe. The sheer volume of ash ejected could trigger a volcanic winter, plunging the planet into darkness, causing crop failures, and threatening the lives of millions. An eruption is not a question of if, but when. From Montserrat to Mount St. Helens, from Pinatubo to the looming threat of Campi Flegra, one sobering truth emerges. We cannot stop volcanoes. We cannot tame them. All we can do is watch, listen, and learn. By understanding these powerful forces, monitoring their every tremor, and preparing for the inevitable, we stand our best chance of surviving their fury. Because when the Earth decides to move, our only defense is knowledge. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into the heart of volcanoes fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into our incredible and powerful planet.